लिखे, I am directed to state that it has been noticed that in a number of cases in which promotion, postings and other allied matters are objected to by the government servants concerned, they obtain stay orders from the High Court or civil courts, full stop. A lot of administrative process is held up because of these stay orders, full stop. These orders are generally issued with notice to government, but it appears that the departments concerned do not take prompt action for opposing the applications for stay orders and getting these vacated, full stop. The martial law administrator, zone A desires that administrative secretaries, heads of attached departments and other concerned authorities should act with speed and care in matters involving such stay orders, full stop. They should refer the case to the solicitor to Government of West Pakistan for legal advice, without any loss of time, and send a memorandum to him containing full facts of the case along with all the necessary documents, full stop. The solicitor to Government of West Pakistan should examine the case expeditiously, and unless he is of the view that the government case is weak, he should issue necessary instructions to the Advocate General, full stop. The department concerned should render all possible and prompt assistance to the Advocate General or the legal advisor concerned to enable him to prepare the cases effectively, full stop. In such cases where it is found that the original orders of the department were not correct, these orders should be cancelled promptly, and steps should be taken to ensure that such mistakes / irregularities do not occur again, full stop. Cases in which a department does not act promptly or is not found to be cooperative in defending the case properly, should be reported to the Chief Secretary for bringing it to the notice of the martial law headquarters for taking suitable action against the officers who have failed to comply with these instructions in letter and spirit, full stop. ये पीपीएससी पेपर में आया हुआ है।